guys, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Victoria Janelle. Welcome to my channel. I recently moved into a studio apartment back in October, and since then I've been furnishing my place. I was going for a more minimalistic vibe, so you'll see that here today, but I'm very excited to show you guys my new studio apartment, so let's come and take a look. When you first come in, you walk right over here to the entryway table. I recently purchased this entryway table from Walmart. I got it for about less than $80. It's a glass table, so I specifically planned out where each item would go. So at the bottom I have my electronics, and I also have an outlet that will allow me to just charge my stuff easily there. So it's basically like a charging table. My friend Shahista recently got me this envelope holder over here. I like to store my keys on it, so you can see them just hanging out. She had went to Malaysia not that long ago, so it's from Malaysia. We move back to these closets over here. This is my clothes closet. I also keep my bags here. So yeah, it's a little bit of a mess right now, but I do intend on organizing all of my closets. They were very generous with the closet space in this studio. I have 4 large closets, so I do intend on just switching those around. But at the top I have my bags, and the rest of the closet is just filled with clothes that, you know, need a little bit of organizing. So then we move over here to the bed. So this is one of my favorite places in my house, the bed. This is a queen size bed, so the space in the studio, they definitely provided a lot of space here. But I will talk about this canopy over here. I adore this canopy. I recently got it from, I think it was Walmart as well. I got it for about $180 or less. It's pretty sturdy, and you know, it's great quality, and I definitely recommend it. But then we're gonna move over here to one of my favorite items. We have this Monstera over here. My boyfriend Kenny got this for me. I've been getting into plants a lot more, so this is definitely one of the plants that was on my list of plants I want in my house. So I'll be showing you a couple more of those later on in this video. Over here to this plant. I recently got this plant from Home Depot. It was originally being sold for $14, but sometimes if you go to Home Depot and they have plants that are currently like not the healthiest and are dying, they will discount the item for you. So I ended up getting this plant for $5. My intentions were to nurse it back to health, but I'm not sure how well I'm doing that. I forgot the name of this plant, but I can link it in the description if you guys want to know. Just let me know in the comments down below. And so yeah, that's her. And so then we're gonna move on to my couch. This is not the most comfiest couch I've been on. It's actually just not comfy at all. I also bought this couch from Walmart for about $200. So we move over to this peace lily that I recently got. I got her from Lowe's not that long ago. She's growing pretty well. She's pretty healthy and thriving. So this is one of the several plants that I have in my house because I've just been plant obsessed as of lately, and so you're gonna see several additions as you guys continue to watch my videos over the months. Alright, so over here we have my electric radiator. Since the weather's been getting warmer, I haven't had much use of it, and since my apartment is just warm already with the heat, I haven't used it this winter. except a couple times. But as of lately, I've been using this as a storage piece, so I'll just keep my plant on top of it, just because, you know, it can get the light that it needs. So moving on, we have this mirror over here that I recently just purchased. I recently bought this mirror from Lowe's. It started off at the price at $90, and when I went into the store, it was already decreased to $34. It was on sale for whatever reason. And so when I looked at the mirror, it had like smudges and scratches on it, and they were able to offer me 50% off on the sale price, so I ended up walking away with this mirror for only $15. It's pretty much a steal if you ask me, because a mirror this size would never cost only $15. So I definitely got a deal. Anyway, we're moving on to this hallway over here. So moving on, we have this bathroom closet over here. I have my cleaning supplies over here. And I have my laundry. It's pretty much a mess, and it's nothing, you know, that needs to be seen. And then moving on to the bathroom. One of my most recent purchases has been this shelf, this over the toilet shelf. I just put like easy, quick grab and go things, like every day I need deodorant, I need to wash my face, and I also have just like lotions here. So we're gonna move on to the kitchen area. I appreciate my kitchen because it functions as it should. Now, one thing I'm very proud of is a DIY project that I had done with these countertops. I recently changed these countertops to this white marble using contact paper by just applying the contact paper over the countertops. So I changed these countertops from a black, brownish, unappealing looking marble to this white looking, what looks like marble. But it's really just contact paper. So there is one more thing that I wanted to show you guys. We have this entryway closet over here when you first walk in the door. Inside this closet we have my shoes and my coats. I do have a lot of shoes in here that I don't wear often, so I will be reorganizing some of that, and I will be making a video of that in the future. But this does wrap up the house tour for today. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you guys could leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and let me know what you liked in this video. And thanks for watching. See you guys soon.